Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have got something exciting to share with you. My brand new Quechua MH140 premium sunglass by Decathlon. These are designed for hiking and outdoor activities, but they also look great for everyday use. Let's dive into the unboxing and check out everything that comes with it. This comes with a very premium packaging. The details are written on it. Its original price is 2,999. Decathlon branding is everywhere. Now let's open it. Right out of the box, we have got the sunglasses along with a protective soft case. The case is a great bonus for keeping them safe from scratches or damage while you are on the go. In case there is Decathlon also written in it. Here is Decathlon written, and this is the sunglass. Now let's talk details. These Quechua MH140 premium sunglasses are currently available for just $12.99, which is a massive 56% off from the original price $2,999. Such a great deal. You are getting a premium pair of sunglasses with category 3 lenses, perfect for sunny weather. These sunglasses are incredibly lightweight, weight just 24 grams, thanks to the polycarbonate and stainless steel build. They tough, durable, and designed to last with a 2-year warranty as well. Plus, they come with a fixed nose bridge that ensures a snug, comfortable fit even if you are wearing them for hours. One of the key highlights is the category 3 lens, which provides 100% UV protection whether you are hiking up in the mountain or walking on a sunny beach. These lenses protect you and your eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays. They also reduce glare, making them ideal for high glare environment like water or snow. These lenses are designed to absorb between 82% and 92% of visible light, offering fantastic protection in strong sunlight. And even though they are not polarized, they are still get a cutting down glare, making them versatile for both casual and outdoor activities. These lenses are made from polycarbonate, which is highly impact resistant, great for outdoor adventure. However, they can get scratched if you are not careful. So it's a good idea to store them in the provided case when you are not using them. So that's my unboxing and review of the Quechua MH140 premium sunglasses for just 12,999. You are getting a stylish, durable and high functional pair of sunglasses. They are lightweight, offer great sun protection and come with a solid warranty. Whether you are planning to hike or just need a reliable pair of for everyday use, these are a great choice. And now how it looks on wearing. Its temple are made up of stainless steel. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more unboxing and reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any question about these sunglasses, or if you would like to see my more gear reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you.